at 12. Yeah, it just shared. What it's saying is that this is taking place in just the atmosphere. Okay, that's all. So instead of saying, because I said this is in water and down here I said stuff is in water, I just need to make a distinction between the two. So there wouldn't. I was trying to keep it from being confusing.
Okay, so you're H2O still at the end, like
Yeah, you'll have products of H2O and CO2 over here on the other side. Yes.
Thank you. On number 8, is that next to C7H15? Is that a 1 or an A? Because it's like big. It's in parentheses.
Well, if it's in parentheses, it's going to be an L.
But it's big. It's not little.
I mean, it's a capital L?
No.
Number 8?
I can't know with an L or a 1 because it looks like a 1.
That's an L?
It's an L.
Yep. I should have made it italicized to make it clear, I guess. Okay.
Did you say what?
Hold on one. Dev had his hand up. Go ahead, Dev.
What's an example for?
Well, we just did that. That's an acid-base reaction right there. There's the acid. Whenever you have the OH in a formula, at this point in time, this is a simple base. Okay? Anytime, except when it's attached to carbon, we don't do that in this class. So, if it's a polyatomic compound, if it's an ionic compound, and there's OH in it, then that's a base for this class at this time. Okay?
How many questions are there?
I don't know because I'm going to revise it a little bit. Since we just had the midterm, there's probably only going to be a written part on the test. There's not going to be a multiple choice on this test. Yep.
And you said that the combustion, you said is CO2 plus H2O.
Yeah, all combustion reactions have like CXHY, some form of a hydrocarbon fuel. Always has O2. Always produces CO2 and H2O.
And then you put those numbers in front of it.
Yeah. Okay, heat and light are always products too of a combustion reaction. Okay, water's always going to be a gas. See, all these are going to be. This is going to be a gas. Now you don't always know what this is going to be.
Is that why it says L?
Some larger ones will start to be. You can even have solids that are made of this stuff. That if you have large enough carbon compounds. Okay, so we don't know what the physical state of this is at this point. Okay. But anytime you have a hydrocarbon and you have oxygen, you're always going to produce carbon dioxide and water. And if you're just balancing the equation, you really don't need heat and light on there. Okay? But the heat and light is produced, and you need to know that that is a product of the reaction.
If we don't write that, it's wrong.
Huh?
On the test, we have to write heat and light.
It would probably be better if you did. It's not like it's wrong if you don't necessarily, but it depends on the context. You almost can't go wrong if you have heat and light over there. Okay? All right. What other questions do you have?
Is there going to be naming on it?
Hmm?
Is there going to be naming on it?
That's always possible.
The only thing I'm not good at.
Well, how do you get better at it?
I've come in like 27 times.
But you just practice is the plus point. I know. What?
Are we finished now?
Are we finished with the whole class? No, I don't have other things to teach. I'm just asking if anybody has any more questions about the test.
Oh.
Yep.
Mine's not about the test. Mine's about the project thing. The extra period project.
Which the one about
At the mall.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, that one. Yes. There's two. There's actually two now.
There's two.
There's another one in November now.
So.
And the handout's right up there where it says there's a little sign sitting on it if you want that.
The one on the 29th.
Mm-hmm.
I'll get credit for it if I don't present it.
You need to come and see me about your situation, okay? I generally don't give credit for that, okay? But there's another opportunity for extra credit right over there if you want that handout.
At 2 points, what do you mean by 2?
Like, say we got a 91, you have a 93.
I thought you meant like 2 points.
No, I actually add, you can get up to 2 points that adds, and I say up to for a reason. Well, you have to, for the mall thing, you have to be like, you have to really blow my socks off, okay, to get the whole 2 points. But most people are going to get, above 1.5, which rounds up to 2 points anyway. But that's if you do everything you're supposed to do. The new one, I'm trying to think where that is. That's local, but it's at Commerce College. That one, you have to be there and participate for the whole program. So there's different things you can go to. You get to choose what you want to do. It's on the 12th of November.
Is that a Saturday?
Yes.
Have a competition that day too.
Huh?
Have a competition that day too.
Y'all got a competition every Saturday? Maybe you need to beg off one time or something.
Nope.
Yeah, right. Because we like that.
Will you have the elementary?
They're already, well, yeah, I just have to put them in. They're already graded. I just got to put them in the grade book. All right. No more questions about the test? All right, listen up. I got more to teach, okay? I'm not going to stop class right now. I got 5 more minutes to teach.
A click and a click.
Pass the link.
Okay, would you close that door over there for me, please? Oh, well, never mind. There we go. Okay. Now, our next unit, this is going to be Unit 6, is on something that's called stoichiometry. Stoichiometry. This is not calculus.
Huh?
It's not calculus.
No, I said I hate geometry.
It's not geometry. Stoichiometry. All right, please write this down in your notes on your section for Unit 6. What?
I won't be here tomorrow.
I mean, Monday.
Huh? This is Unit 6. Oh, that requires the chemistry math that requires that you have a balanced chemical equation. Chemistry math that requires that you have a balanced chemical equation. Okay? So you can't do stoichiometry until you can first balance equations. Okay? You can't balance equations until you first balance formulas. You can't balance formulas unless you first know structures and ions and those kind of things to be able to do that with.